Hey everyone, welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into the world of traditional Jewish cuisine with a fantastic recipe, latkes. These crispy potato pancakes are a favorite during Hanukkah, but they're so delicious you'll want to make them year-round. So, let's get started on our journey to create the perfect latke. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this amazing latke recipe, you'll need 4 large russet potatoes, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable oil for frying. Now that we have everything, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start preparing these crispy delights. Peel and grate the potatoes and onion. Squeeze out excess moisture using a clean kitchen towel. In a large bowl, combine the grated potatoes, onion, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Mix until well combined. Now, let me show you the consistency we're aiming for. It should be moist but not too wet, ensuring that our latkes are nice and crispy. The magic happens in the frying pan. Heat a generous amount of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Spoon the potato mixture into the hot oil, shaping it into pancakes. Fry until the edges are golden brown, then flip and cook the other side. Once both sides are beautifully crispy, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Our latkes are ready, and the aroma is incredible. Now, let's talk about serving these beauties. Plate the latkes and garnish with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of chives. Serve them hot and watch as your friends and family devour these delicious, golden delights. And there you have it, the perfect latke recipe. Whether you're celebrating Hanukkah or just craving a delightful snack, these crispy potato pancakes are sure to be a hit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!